Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Olwach. I'm a stock market researcher and investor in the stock market. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth. Today's question is this: what should you consider before investing? Or rather, 7 questions you should answer before investing. 7 questions you should answer before investing. One of those questions is this: do you have money for food? You know, you should not invest the money you need for food. The money you need for food is for food. The money you need for rent is for rent. The money you are using to invest is a different kind of money. It should be the reserve. It should be the extras. It should be your savings. This is the money that is for investing. Don't invest the money that is meant for food. The other thing you should consider is you need someone to guide you. Do you have a guide? I know when you are going on a safari, like I'm on a safari right now in Mombasa, you need a tour guide, someone to take you around to some places that you don't know. And so in the stock market, you need a tour guide. Do you have a guide? Someone to show you the ups and downs of the stock market. If you don't have a guide, I invite you to join my Telegram group. I have a Telegram group and the link is below in the description. That's where we talk about savings, investing, stocks to buy, stocks to sell. And the aim is very simple: to help us all become millionaires. My aim is to create 10,000 millionaires in the stock market. I encourage people to save, reduce the expenditure, and save. I encourage people to invest. I encourage people to grow the money over a period of time. And we can all do it. Whether you are saving 1,000 shillings, 2,000 shillings, 3,000 shillings, 4,000 shillings monthly, or 10,000 shillings, over 100,000 shillings, we can all become rich and live a comfortable life. The other thing you need to consider is this, and it's very, very important. What is your reason for buying stocks? What is your reason for growing money? Let me tell you one thing. My reason for growing money is one: I need to take my children to good schools. So I need education for my children. Secondly, I need to have a roof over my head. Third, I need to drive a good car. So what is your goal for investing? Investing need goals. Investing need goals. It is the goals that give you the drive and the motivation to continue. Without the drive, without the motivation, investing becomes very difficult. You can lose hope. So you need something. You need why. You need your why to keep you motivated so that you are able to save, invest, and grow wealth. Something else you need to consider is when you buy a stock, when do you consider selling? And this is what I tell people in my Telegram group. I tell them buy, for example, buy ABSA at 8 shillings. And when it has made for you some profits, say 10% or 20%, sell. So guys bought ABSA at 8 shillings. And when ABSA had gone up to about 10 shillings, I told them sell, because that one was about 15%. And they sold. Of course, there are some others who waited till ABSA went to 11 shillings, and then again they sold. That was about almost 20%. So when to sell is a very important factor to consider when buying and selling stocks. Another thing you need to consider is dividends. Some companies give very good dividends. For example, StanChart gave me a dividend of 10 shillings per share, and I had 1,000 shares. So that was 10,000 green money. BAT Kenya gives dividends, about 41 shillings per share. Total gives dividends, about 1 shillings and 50 cents per share. Some companies give dividends. Not all companies give dividends. So you need to be careful which companies you invest in. If you're investing for dividends, you need to choose dividend-paying companies so that you grow wealth and you get dividend regularly. In fact, dividend is very good money for those who are approaching retirement or old age, because they'll need regular income coming in every month, because once you are retired, there's no income for you. So then you can use the stock market as a way of getting regular income through investing in dividend stocks. Ladies and gentlemen, those are the reasons you need to consider. The other one is risks. You know, you can buy a company, then all of a sudden it goes under. Like Uchumi went under, Mumias went under, Kenya Airways was suspended, almost was going under, and now it is in huge debts. It's always asking for a bailout. So you need to consider the risks before investing in any company. Athi River Mining went into receivership. So you need to consider the risks when investing. Ladies and gentlemen, those are the reasons you need to consider very well when investing, or before you start investing, so that your investing journey becomes smooth. Remember, you need a guide. If you need a guide, I am here to give you support. I am here to help you invest and grow rich in the stock market. Thank you very much. If you're new here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're not in our Telegram, join our Telegram channel. If you have questions to ask, please ask in the comment section. I will answer all questions. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.